Austin Sands is tracking just how much rain we're expecting. Austin?
Yeah, hey, Elegance. It's not all bad news in terms of rainfall. We are also going to see some warmer temperatures. So there is some good news embedded in the forecast as well. Right now, looking in downtown Owensboro, not a whole lot going on. Some of that cloud cover starting to push in here into the Owensboro area, and rainfall going to be making its way into the tri-state this evening. Taking a look at our radar right now, we can already see some of that rainfall making its way into the central parts of the tri-state, but right now kind of seeing a lot of that rainfall off to our west still for the time being, but that will begin to move in here shortly. Across the tri-state right now, 43 degrees in Evansville. Feels like 39 out there. The winds are around 7 miles per hour. 41 degrees in Henderson, 42 in Owensboro. Harrisburg, 38 degrees with a few drops out there right now as well. The 24-hour temperature difference is the good news here. Here's where the good news starts, right? Temperatures headed in the right direction. 16 degrees warmer than we were at this point yesterday. That is good news. Why is that, though? Well, these winds have shifted. Now they're coming out of the southeast, right around 5 to 10 miles per hour, bringing that warm air back here into the tri-state. But it's also going to bring some of that moisture, allowing for that rainfall to occur. Now, if you're heading home this evening, right around 6 o'clock tonight, you can expect some of that rainfall to start making its way into the tri-state here. So you might have to have those windshield wipers on your way home this evening. Over the next few hours, well, we're going to see temperatures stay fairly steady, only dropping into the upper 30s and then just kind of hovering there as we approach the later evening and the overnight hours. Now, as we head into the later evening tonight, that rain will continue. Some heavier pockets possible as well. Taking a look here as we approach right around that midnight hour, we'll start to see a lot more of that rainfall off to our southwest that'll start to move in and kind of encompass the tri-state. So once we hit those overnight hours tonight, that's when you can expect some of that more consistent rainfall to start. Now, overnight conditions will be right around 36 degrees tonight. But we're going to see as those chances for rainfall start to increase as we approach the later evening and those overnight hours. And you'll notice that still continues between 6 and 8 a.m. So what does that mean for us? Well, that morning commute going to be a little bit of a soggy one out there. Not ideal driving conditions tomorrow morning. So prepare for maybe a little bit of a delay out there. 40 degrees by 6 a.m., 41 by 8 and 9 o'clock. But that rain will be continuing throughout the day on Tuesday. Tomorrow, 48 degrees is where we're going to end up for our high temperature, but still thawing out into Wednesday. Check this out. We're going to see temperatures start approaching those upper 50s as we get into Wednesday. Even take a look at Madisonville, 60 degrees there, same for Central City. So going to see some much warmer temperatures. Now, we are going to be departing from average this time in a better direction. We're going to be going above average. Take a look at Wednesday, 14 degrees above average, 18 degrees above average as we approach Thursday. Now, over the next few days, unfortunately, with those warmer temperatures, that rain also going to continue at least through Thursday and possibly into Friday as well. Looking at your extended forecast, the impact days that we have up here are because the heaviest rain Tuesday and Wednesday, we could see anywhere from 1 to 3 inches. As we approach Thursday, that rain starts to quiet down just a little bit there, but temperatures will still be hanging around in the 50s even as we approach the weekend, and then we'll see some drier conditions as we approach the next week.